Hello and welcome to Math Series TV. Today we are doing a day 5 of the 60-day geometry prep. Alright, let's get started. But before that, if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Today we are learning about two-dimensional shapes and that's polygons, where the number of sides, which is n, is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so if it is greater than 3, it can be a rectangle, a square. But if it is equal to 3, it means that three-sided plane figure is what? A triangle. I hope you are getting. So two-dimensional shapes are plane figures with two dimensions. That's the base and the height. Okay, then examples are triangles, square, rhombus, parallelogram, octagon, etc. Yeah, so let's explore some of these two-dimensional shapes. Now, one is the square. Look at the square. We all know what a square is. But what are some of the properties of the square? Opposite sides are parallel. That's the first one. This side and this side, they are opposite. They are parallel. If we say they are parallel, it means they are moving in the same direction. Are you getting it? In the same direction. Are you getting it? They will never meet, so they are parallel. So all sides are equal in length. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the size. All the lines, this, and this, they are equal in what? Length. Then all angles are equal. You can see that I did box. The angle here, it means 90 degrees. So all the four angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are all 90 degrees. So the angles are equal. Then all angles are right angles. As I said, the angles are all 90 degrees. So anytime in math you see this thing, it means what? 90 degrees. Very good. Then adjacent sides are perpendicular. What are the adjacent sides? This side and this side. Are you seeing it? This side and this side. Are you seeing it? Where they meet like this, they are perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Okay, then diagonals bisect each other. If I'm to draw the diagonals of the square, you see that they are, have you seen it? They are 4. So 1, 2, 3. So the diagonals, let's say even if they are 2, 1, 2, they'll bisect themselves. It means that they'll divide themselves what? Equally. I hope you are getting it. Then diagonals are equal in length. Okay, diagonals, this one from this corner to this corner, this corner to this corner, they are what? The same. Okay, they are the same. Then diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Look at this place. If you draw the line and this line, consider this place is what? 90 degrees, 90, 90, and what? 90. Okay, so they bisect each other at right angle. Then diagonals bisect the angles. So if there is a diagonal from here to here, the angle here will bisect. The diagonal will bisect the angle. Okay, so this diagonal is bisecting the what? Angle at the corner. I hope you are getting. So these are some properties of the what? Square. Now let's move on to some other properties. So let's take another two-dimensional shape like the rectangle. What are some of the properties? Now, properties of a rectangle. Yes, opposite sides are parallel, as we said in the what? In the square. So one, this side, they are parallel. This side and this side, they are also what? Parallel. Then opposite angles are equal. What are the opposite angles? Here and here. Okay, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. They are equal. Then opposite sides are equal in height. So this side, the length of here to here is the same as the length from here to here. Are you seeing it? And the length from here to here is the same as the length of here to here. So opposite sides are equal in what? Length. Then all four angles are right angles. The angles are this place: 1, 2, 3, and 4. They are all right angles. That's right angles means what? 90 degrees. okay, 90 degrees. Then adjacent sides are parallel. As I said, this side and this side, they are parallel. This side and this side, to they are what? Parallel. Diagonals bisect each other. So if I have a diagonal of this and this, diagonals, they bisect each other at right angles. So this place, this 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. I getting it? So, and diagonals do not bisect each other right angles. I getting it? Oh, sorry, I'm mixing the properties. Diagonals bisect each other, okay, but not at right angles. I hope you are getting me. So this place is not 90 degrees. This place is not 90. Here is not 90. Here is not 90. I getting it? By the diagonals here and here, they divide themselves, okay? Yes. So the last one, diagonals do not bisect each other at right angles. That was what I was saying. This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, it's not 90, okay? It's different. All right, let's move to our last one for the day. I told you that we are not going to spend long. Yes, we are going to do short so that, yes, whatever we have to do, we can do it. But if you pay attention, I believe that by the grace of God, you will understand. I hope you are getting me. Yeah. Rhombus is a slanted square, okay? So you can see this one like a square which is slanted, okay? Yes. What are some of the properties? All sides are equal in what length? So this side, this side, this side, this side, they are equal in length, just like the square, okay? Opposite sides are parallel. So this side and this side, they are parallel. This side and this side, they are also what? Parallel. Opposite angles are equal or congruent. Okay, so this opposite angle here, I think they are congruent. It means that they are what? The same. Okay, they are equal. Okay, then diagonals bisect angles. So these are the diagonals too. They bisect the angle here. When we say bisect, it means they divide it equally. Okay, yes. Then all angles are not right angles. So the angles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are not right angles. Please, I hope you get me. Yes, thank you very much for your attention. Yes, God bless you. Today is day 5. God willing, tomorrow we are going to move to the next day's lesson. Okay, stay tuned. Make sure you learn all what I teach, okay, from day 1 to day 60, and I believe that you understand the word geometry and you'll be able to pass your exams. Yes, by God's grace. Thank you very much. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.